Become very, very wise and sensible person, outstandingly great than others. You are not like common general people. Then you have joy. Joy is something cannot express in words, but still, joy, as I have told you many a times, it is singular. It is not unhappiness or happiness. It is just joy. Just you enjoy. You enjoy everything, every company, every incident, every scene, every happening in your life, you know how to enjoy it. See, just joy has a great capacity. Once I remember I had gone with my son-in-law and daughter to see some historical place, and we had to climb a lot. We were climbing for about 3 hours. So naturally we all got tired. And there was a little resting place made of marble. So we said, let's spread out ourselves here. So when I spread it out, you see, they were so much saying, why should we have come here of all the things, this, all that, they were grudging. Then suddenly, this is the joy point. Suddenly I saw the carvings of elephants. So I said, can you see these elephants? Everybody's tail is differently made. They said, Mummy, how could you see the elephants' tails? We are so tired. I said, you also see, you just see that. Because this joy, what it shifts your mind from nonsense. You see, you just say it's all nonsense. You just shift your mind. This is the way you get joy. And goes to the thing that will joy you. Supposing there's a person who is quite boring, then what happens? You just see the humor behind boring, how a person bores you. And what you learn out of it is never bore anyone. So this joy has a speciality, that it teaches you the essence of joy of everything. If it's say a bad film, all right, still you enjoy because you see how bad it is. Supposing, of course, if it's a good film, then you can always see. But you do not go on with your mind how to criticize. This criticism business goes out of your mind. So what happens? Your mind shifts immediately from something that's ridiculous to something interesting in the same thing. So you don't criticize and you don't feel bad about it. Sometimes it so happens that people are amazed that how I tolerate such people. Well, I don't tolerate, I am not paying any attention, whatever the person may be doing. If you are of that nature, that's we call as a condition where you are absolutely in the Turiya state. So Kabira has said, जब मस्त हुए फिर क्या बोले? When I have gone into that state of joy, why should I say anything? It is like that, a temperament which you have to understand and respect it. That is within you, but respect it. Do not compare it with others. Others are not at your level. So you are at a different level and you just try to enjoy it. Never feel that you are something higher or greater. No, never feel. What you should feel, that thankfulness that you are not mixed up with all those funny ideas and funny style of life where you go on criticizing, this is not good, I don't like it, I don't like it. Who are you? You don't know yourself. When you say I don't like it, you are not knowing yourself. How do you know what you don't like? And I've seen people with very poor knowledge who are just knowing little bit here and there, are very critical of others. I don't know the reason why it is so, but maybe that they think no end of themselves. But this is what is very common. But if you know the absolute knowledge, then you become really humble, absolutely humble and sweet, gentle and kind. So, today is a great day, otherwise for me also I didn't know that I'll survive so many years to see this beautiful day. Because, after all, it was very hard life according to other standards. But what is most joy-giving to me was creating Sahajogis and listening to them and talking to them. The way they were so sweet and so kind and so respectful. All this has helped me so much, and I must thank you for that. With your support, with your help, with your understanding, I could achieve it. If I could achieve it on my own, I would never have asked for this help of yours. But you are just like my hands, you are just like my eyes, and I need you very much, because without you I cannot do it. It's like channelizing. Unless and until you have channels, what's the use of being Adi Shakti or anything? How will you channelize it? If there's electrical movement, we need channels. Otherwise, it is a static thing. In the same way, I felt always that I needed more and more channels. And when it worked out, I was really, really in a very great spirit. So I thank you very much again for this day that has come. And I bless you from my heart that now you take over responsibility. You are a Sahajogi, so you have a responsibility also to give realizations to others. Don't keep to yourself. This has to be given to others. And you can explain, you can talk to them, you can really very well understand. Try to understand them and talk to them, and you must give realizations to others. Otherwise, you won't feel complete. To feel complete, you have to do that. May God bless you all.